Houston station, we are ready for the event. Are you ready?
We are ready.
Okay, well, welcome to the 33-34 change of command ceremony today here on the Good Ship International Space Station. We're going to hand over today command from myself to Kevin Ford. Just wanted to reflect a couple things about our time up here and just time in history. Sort of was brought to our attention on the 55th anniversary of Sputnik that was sort of a cool event, that we actually launched satellites from the Japanese portion of the space station on that day. So I got to thinking about what's been going on in the last couple years. About 100 years ago, the Girl Scouts were founded, Oreos were founded. So those are significant events, and a lot of other really cool things happened all over the world at that point in time as well. National parks were founded. A lot of great things all over the world, including aviation, started too. 50 years ago, I mentioned already, Sputnik was a pretty major event for all of us that got us here today. 25 years ago, Aki just graduated from high school. Yuri was flying airplanes, and I, in the United States, became legal drinking age. So a bunch of interesting things happened 25 years ago. 10 years ago, a little over 10 years ago, people became living on this International Space Station for a permanent presence. And we are honored to be fulfilling that dream and living that dream right now. So I just wonder what is going to happen, or what our future lies in store for us 10 years, 25 years, 50 years, and 100 years from now. I think we've left this ship in good shape, and I'm honored to hand it over to Kevin. Although he's an Air Force guy, so we have to make him a little more Navy because it is a ship. So I have a little present for him first. This is a Navy pennant that, if you hold this for a second, flies over Navy ships when the commander is on board. So this is for you.
Thank you very much, Sonny. Very nice.
And now, you know, the Gippabaton came up, and that was a idea from Yevgeny's daughter. And there's 4 of us living here in Node 2, and it's pretty crowded. The Gippabaton is not lonely, but with 2 of us leaving, he might be lonely. And so I'm going to give him a friend.
Uh-oh. We know what to do with that. We know what to do with that.
And I'm not sure you guys know who Magnum PI is, but Oleg is our Magnum PI, and with that he gets the traditional Hawaiian shirt that's been on the ISS for quite some time.
Thank you so much.
So as you can see, we have a great crew up here, us who are going home very shortly, and the ones who are taking over. Ship's in good hands.
You turned off the mic.
Thank you very much. I hope you heard all of Sonny's words. They were very nice words, and we do appreciate the gifts. We appreciate also the great handover we've gotten from you guys. It's been relatively short. Not as some have been shorter, but 3 weeks is a pretty short handover. And between Oleg, Yevgeny, and I, we have all together, if you combine all of our space time, we have about 3 months total time in space so far. And if you combine the time of Sonny and Aki and Yuri, they have 3 years of total time in space, living in space. So they really had a lot to offer us. We learned a tremendous amount from them, and they were really, really good about sharing it. We're not really ready to see them go, to be honest, but it's time for them to get home. They need to land at a time when the rescue forces can get to them and find them easily and get them safely back to their families. It's been a pleasure serving with them. Sonny said she hopes she's left the station in great shape, and they have. The space station is in remarkably good condition. It's ready full up utilization. The exercise equipment is fantastic. The facilities are fantastic. Everything is in order. The ground teams are running really well and harmoniously with the crew, and the training to get here has been great. So we're ready for a great expedition. We'll be here holding down the fort for maybe four or so weeks until the rest of the crew gets here to complement Expedition 34, and we're looking forward to doing a lot of science and getting a lot of utilization done now that the space station is fully up and ready to go. So thanks to everybody on the ground. Thanks to Sunny and her crew. Thank you for a great handover, and I'm ready to assume command of the International Space Station. Thank you very much.
And Houston, that concludes the change of command ceremony. Thanks for being on board with us.
Thank you so much. It was a great job, and congratulations to both of you and to all of you.